So it's your girl Jada Simone back with it, you feel me? And today I have this reinstallation of this cute, pretty sure color 4 and 27 bob wig that I got from ISEE hair. I already have a video on my channel where I did the initial installation using the Ebin Lace Wonder sprays. So if you want to see this reinstallation, I just needed to do my hair, give y'all an update on this wig, and it turned out cute because I did the side part. I don't usually do that. So if you want to see how I got this installation, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep on watching. Okay, so boom, I want to start off by saying that I was kind of self-conscious about this installation because I used to got to be gel, and for some reason that just, if I use too much, it just doesn't work out for me. It like leaves residue, as you can see, under the bald cap. And this bald cap, somebody told me that it really doesn't matter as long as you use the right makeup on the bald cap, but I like to use the bald cap that is, I think, the auburn color. That one works just almost perfectly for me. I don't even have to put any makeup on it. I just have to tint my lace, and my lace be looking melted. Another thing, okay, so when I first installed this wig, I did not tint the lace using like my usual tint, the Sally Hansen legs, or maybe I did, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure I used makeup because it washed off when I washed the wig. And so for some reason, like the makeup that I used under it, or I probably just didn't put enough, and probably a combination of the two, it just did not make the lace blend like I normally like would have liked. I mean, it did not look horrible. Like I asked my dad, asked my brother, because you know the men be super critical. I asked them what did they think. I mean, they really liked the installation. I was just a little self-conscious over it, and just like but anyways, I said all that to say that after doing this install, I think I want to like venture using more products from install my wigs. Cause let me tell you, I had the same Sally Hansen brush on airbrush legs that I use as my tint, and the same Ghost Bond glue since I first started installing my wigs. And so I just recently found the Ebin Lace Wonder adhesive spray, and I've probably done like 3 or 4 installs using it. My last installation video that I posted was a synthetic wig, and for that install video I used glue, and so I shied away from using glue and like ventured into glueless wigs, quote glueless wigs, when I was in school, and because I was doing a lot of installs with glue and I guess not taking them off properly and letting my edges rest, and it was getting starting to thin out. So that scared me, and that's why I stayed away from glue. But then I think I found this new technique on TikTok. I don't know, I probably won't use it all the time. I think I decided when I do a reinstall like this, I will probably use that technique and use glue, just because glue is so much like, it's not as messy. Like the spray can be messy, just I have to be careful about not being too product heavy, because I really can get product heavy. And I think I found that for my initial installs, like when I have to cut the lace off and everything, I can use the adhesive spray, and I like using the adhesive spray. But I think when I do my reinstalls, I'm going to start using glue, because I feel like it's just easier and faster. And so I'm almost out of my ghost, but y'all, it's really been like 2 years because I don't wear wigs super often. And I want to try and use Erica J's products because I'm really inspired by her. She used to work at CVS, and now she's a millionaire. She really got her start on YouTube and everything. And you know, I work at CVS and I'm getting my start on YouTube. I'm just playing. But yeah, no, she really does inspire me. So I want to use her products because they look like they're good. And I just want to see if I can like perfect my frontal installation technique, because I think if I do that, I would definitely be wearing them more. And ain't no shame in no synthetic wigs, y'all, because I really want y'all to check out that video. I probably already posted the card, but if not, please, I'm gonna have a link in the description box, and you should really check out that video because I really like that wig, and I'm really finna start trying some synthetic wigs because they just cheaper and they be cute. So ain't no shame, ain't no shame. But yeah, I kind of just been rambling. And you see right here, my elastic band was definitely too small for my hair. Oh, but y'all, I'm supposed to be updating y'all on the hair. I mean, I really love this hair. This is one of my favorite wigs. Like, I love it. It's cute and I like the color and it doesn't shed, and this only is my second time installing the hair, so yeah, I haven't given it that much longevity, but I do go like a few months in between like when I'm wearing my wigs for a time period. But I don't expect this wig to last me well into probably next year around this time, because I love ISEE hair. They have such good quality hair. Like, I have about 4 brands that I really love buying from, and ISEE hair is definitely one of them. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, I think I'm gonna use glue because right here I'm cleaning up. It's just like less cleanup. And I also think a faux pas that I made is I used too much got to be like to lay my edges back, and it kind of just, when you get too much product buildup, it's kind of inevitable that you're gonna have like some residue. But I mean, luckily the alcohol can clean it off. It's just like not having to do those steps, if you get what I mean. I'll add that this hair takes heat very well. I was surprised, and the curl holds very well. I bet this would look so cute with flexi rise, and I plan to do that in the future because this hair holds the curl so well. Like this, I curled this bang just so they wouldn't be just like a little boring straight side part bob look. And the curls were still there by the end of the day because I ended up going to the store and everything and coming back home. So I like this wig. I love this wig. But yeah, the only thing I would change is, of course, I said in the beginning, the color bald cap that I use. And this is my finishing powder, and I will say it's probably not the one that matches me the best. It is from the drugstore, but it still matches me pretty good. So it really didn't do that great of a job in like covering up the lace the way that I wanted to. I end up like off camera and like later using my bronzer, which really did the job and made it look better. But I also think I just need something new, which I did get, but I kind of don't like it that much. I want to try the tinting mousse. It looks like it's really beneficial and it looks really satisfying from the videos I've seen. So I just gotta figure out where to get that. But yeah, that's the end of the video, and so I hope you think this hair is as cute as I do, and I hope you just enjoyed the video even though I was rambling. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out some more videos on my channel, and don't clog my lace. Thanks.